हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। आज मैं लेकर आई हूँ नायका हॉल वीडियो। सो गाइस, नायका पर पिंक फ्राइडे सेल चल रहा है और ये चलेगा फ्रॉम 24 नवंबर से 28 नवंबर तक और काफ़ी अच्छे डिस्काउंट मिल रहे हैं। सो आई कुडंट स्टॉप माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम परचेसिंग, इसलिए मैंने कुछ स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स मंगवाए थे। ये सारे स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने कभी भी यूज़ नहीं किए हैं। दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट टाइम परचेज ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट्स। आई एम रियली वेरी एक्साइटेड टू यूज़ देम ऑल। सो ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स मुझको इस बॉक्स में रिसीव हुए हैं। गाइस, इस बार नायका ने मुझको सारा सामान एक ही बॉक्स में भेजा है। अदरवाइज दे यूज्ड टू सेंड लाइक इन मैनी स्मॉल बॉक्सेस, सो आई रियली डिडंट लाइक इट. But this time I really like the action taken by them and I hope they continue with this action. And with this being said, let's start with today's video. So the first product that I purchased is this newly launched gel creme from L'Oreal Paris. Guys, this is an oil-free creme which provides 24-hour hydration and shine control for a crystal clear skin. You get two versions of this, but I have purchased the mini version which retains for $2.99. It has a shelf life of 3 years. The key ingredient in this is salicylic acid, which helps to minimize the appearance of pores and helps in reducing the blemishes. The packaging of this is really very cute. It is made up of glass and looks very luxurious, guys. And talking about the texture, it has a gel and a creme like structure. It does has fragrance, so people who have sensitive skin will not like it. So the next product that I have purchased is this chamomile and white tea morning dew day creme from Plum. Guys, मुझको Plum के प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, so I keep on trying their products. So this time I ended picking up this one. This one retains for $4.90 for 45 ml of product and I got it for something around $3.20. Now guys, this product is free from paraben, SLS and sulfate, and this product is recommended for normal to combination skin people. Talking about the packaging, it comes in this tube-like structure with a pump packaging. The texture of this is creamy and it provides balanced hydration. I feel that it can be used by oily skin people during the winters. So the next product that I have purchased is this combo of two things from Dot & Key. Guys, I have never tried any products from Dot & Key, so I am very excited to use them. Now this cost me $5.95, whereas this individually cost $5.95 and this cost $3.95. So you can say that I got this free on this. And now talking about this Siska Clarity Night Gel. It says that it has green tea and niacinamide. It is for oily skin and it provides balanced hydration and there is no added fragrance in this. Now over here it is written that with comforting centrella and green tea to repair, smooth and hydrate the skin overnight. The packaging of this looks really very stunning, guys. It has expiry date and the manufacturing date and the price written on it over here. It comes in this glass cut tub which looks really very cute. The texture of this is gel based and I feel that it has mild fragrance. The next thing that I have is this Deep Pore Clean Milky Foam Cleanser from Dot & Key. Guys, this is free from sulfate and it's 100% safe and dermatologically tested. Now guys, it claims that it will deeply cleanse your skin, leaving it moist, dewy and refreshed. I really hope so it does whatever it claims, because I really like this type of face wash which gives you moisture, which keeps your skin hydrated during the winters. So the next thing that I have purchased is this shampoo and conditioner from L'Oreal Paris, and it is from their Dream Length range. So guys, I have purchased this because I have heard many good reviews about these two. So I just wanted to give it a try. Now guys, it has keratin and castor oil, and it says that it will intensely repair your lens and instantly detangle with less breakage. Now guys, I have used it once and I feel that, not I feel, and I can say that it has a very refreshing smell. So y'all can also try this out. काफ़ी अच्छे डिस्काउंट थे इस पर. Guys, before moving on to the last product of today's haul video, I would like to share two product recommendation from my side. The first one is the Plum Rice Water and 10% Niacinamide Serum, and the second one is the Plum Mandarin and 15% Vitamin C Serum. Guys, if you all are looking for a good serum within reasonable rates, then these are the serums that you all can try. And now moving on to the last product of today's video is this color from Garnier Color Naturals in the shade 7.3 Golden Brown. Now guys, this I have purchased for my mom and not for me, and this one retains for 200 but I got it for 150 during the sale. If you all want. So guys, this was all for today's video. I'll be reviewing all the products that I have purchased on my channel, so please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye and take care.